So Alpesh, good morning. How are you?
Yeah, very fine. Good morning, Surendra ji. कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
Yeah, I'm very fine. Thank you.
Okay. So मैं मुंबई में आया तो चलो आपसे मिल लेते हैं
That's
थोड़ा
great.
let's see what you're doing and let me try to understand.
Yeah. That's good. We have met after a long time.
Yeah, it
That's
was
good
fun.
idea.
Yes. Last I think we met in Chennai.
Yeah, almost 6 months back.
Yeah, 6 months back.
Yeah.
So you are basically into acupressure, right?
Yeah, I am practicing acupuncture since almost like 27, more than 27 years.
That's wonderful. So how did you come to this acupressure?
Basically, I completed my medical graduation in around 1994, 95.
Oh.
Yeah. And I was planning to start my own clinic. After completion of my acupuncture course, after a few days, when at night my father came, he was having severe tooth pain.
Okay.
So he asked me to give me some painkiller.
Okay.
I said, okay, I will give you some painkiller, but take some food, because on empty stomach we can't give painkiller. It can create gastritis.
Oh.
So he took some dal rice, and I asked him, actually our sir said that acupuncture is having very good painkiller points.
Okay.
So shall we try for it? He said, okay, whatever you want to do, you do it, but my pain should be reduced.
Okay.
So I pricked certain acupuncture needles on certain acupuncture points, and within 15-20 minutes his 70 to 80% pain was reduced.
My God.
So
Instantly.
Yeah, instantly. And I have not given any medicines, nothing. Only just by pricking acupuncture, his pain was vanished. Almost 70 to 80% he was relieved. So he said,
that's good. In
yeah.
15 minutes, 80% of pain relieved.
Yeah, without painkiller. Even painkiller will take 30 minutes to reduce the pain. So it gave me the confidence, at the same time it gave me the vision that if suppose without medicine, if acupuncture is working so fast, why should not I go for acupuncture therapy as my career? And then I started my acupuncture clinic in 1996, almost 27 years completed.
Wow.
And I am practicing fully with acupuncture therapy.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you must be having a lot of clients. 27 years is a long period.
Yeah, many patients, and you will not believe, but
Okay.
all patients are coming through mouth publicity.
Word of mouth.
Yeah, word of mouth. And all those who are satisfied with acupuncture treatment, particularly many painful conditions where allopathy or modern medicine is not having any other curative treatment, just palliative and management treatment. In that case, acupuncture is working very good.
Effectively.
Yeah, very effectively, and even certain cases of surgery also can be avoided with help of acupuncture.
It can be avoided, surgery and all.
Yeah, particularly spine surgeries and knee replacement surgeries can be avoided if acupuncture is taken within time.
Right time.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So that saves a lot of trouble for the patient, no? They can avoid surgery.
Correct.
And it doesn't have any side effects?
No. Because we are pricking the needles for every person is a separate needles. And these needles are disposable needles.
Okay, so use it only once.
Yeah, use it only once. And the needles are very thin, tiny needles where not a single drop of blood can accumulate on that.
Oh.
While in injections, the needles are hollow needles. The medicine is passing through that hollow pipe.
Oh.
And with that medicine, sometimes blood drop can also be transferred, which can create the infection. While in acupuncture needles, they are very tiny, thin needles, and no other side effects are there. And we are just activating our inner strength of the body.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, it is a energy activation therapy.
Okay, energy activity.
Yeah.
So what are the kind of treatments do you do? What kind of patients come to you? What's the wide range you have?
Basically, acupuncture can treat each and every type of diseases or conditions. Right, start from ordinary cough, cold or fever till any major illnesses. But mainly for acupuncture, patients are coming for painful conditions, particularly joint pain like knee joint arthritis, then frozen shoulder, tennis elbow, calcaneal spur, sciatica, slip disc, paralysis, migraine, allergic conditions. So mainly chronic and untreatable conditions in the modern medicine can be treated with acupuncture very nicely, but not only chronic, any acute condition. Suppose, like I mentioned, my father was having severe tooth pain. That was acute condition,
Yeah.
but that can be also handled with acupuncture.
Mhm.
But people don't know, so they don't come for acute conditions. They mainly come for chronic conditions, but mainly painful conditions.
Mhm.
And it is having very good result because acupuncture is fully scientific therapy. It is not a psychological therapy.
Okay.
Basically, acupuncture balances the energy.
Mhm.
We call it as positive and negative energy. So
Okay.
in Chinese language, it is called yin and yang. So yin and yang means positive and negative energy is balanced. Secondarily, it increases the endorphin level, which is a natural painkiller substance.
Okay.
The
It
tooth
is there
pain.
inside.
Pardon?
It's all there.
Yeah,
human
endorphin is already inside our body.
It has to be activated.
It has to be activated, but when we take painkiller from outside,
Yeah.
the signals don't go to the brain, so it doesn't activate the endorphin level,
Uh-huh.
right? But with acupuncture, we trigger the endorphin level, so naturally the pain gets relieved. So it is a natural endorphin increase after acupuncture treatment. Then it gives very good relaxation
Okay.
and stress buster type of effect
Mhm.
because it increases the serotonin level. Serotonin is cooling or you can say mind soothing hormone,
Okay.
which is naturally produced inside our body. But when we take certain pills from outside for sleep or for anxiety, the serotonin level doesn't increase because we are taking the support system from outside. So slowly and gradually the body system gets deteriorated.
Oh.
When in acupuncture we improve the serotonin level, which gives very soothing and relaxation effect. So after taking acupuncture treatment, many patients says that we get very good sleep, we get very cool and calm type of relaxation.
Wonderful.
So it is a scientific therapy.
Wonderful.
It improves the immunity. It increases the WBC count. So WBC are our soldiers inside our body.
Okay.
If our defense system is strong, no enemy can attack our body.
Okay.
Right? So it increases the WBC count and thus it increases the immunity. So in case of infective disorders, when in modern medicine we give antibiotics and other therapies,
Yeah.
it kills the bacteria, but it doesn't improve the immune system.
Oh yes.
While in acupuncture, if suppose any person is having recurrent infection like tonsillitis, sinusitis, or any other infection, if acupuncture is given, his immunity can be improved, and that can reduce the episodes of infection, severity of infection, and requirement of medicine.
Okay.
So acupuncture is very much scientific. It improves the blood circulation, it balances the energy, it improves endorphin level, which reduces the pain.
Okay.
It improves the serotonin level, which gives the relaxation. It increases the WBC count, which is very much essential for our defensive system. And thus, this acupuncture is fully scientific therapy, which cures the ailments from a root level because it
Root
affects.
cause.
Yeah.
Root cause it is.
It treats the root cause, and that's why patients are getting relief for long term.
Longer time. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Great. So, but mostly people run to allopathy and allopathy.
Yeah, because the
Mostly-
marketing or the
But
psychology is
yeah.
working like that. One thing, we don't have much time, so patients are not having time, not having patience, and nowadays not having tolerance power also.
Right.
So they run for
Immediate
modern
relief.
medicine.
Yeah.
But history of modern medicine is hardly 300 to 400 years old,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
But acupuncture is 5,000-year-old therapy,
Mhm.
right? When medicines was not there, but people was suffering from illnesses.
Of course, yes.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
So if you know, particularly in Indian tradition, when you pierce your ear
Yeah.
or nose, it is also related with acupuncture.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
because our ear is having shape of a fetus who is lying inside the womb of the mother. This is the same same curvature or same you can say the miniature of our body.
Okay.
And the ear, this is representing, this is your face, this is your spine, buttocks, and the fetus is lying down like this way,
Okay.
and head is towards downside.
Okay.
So this is your eye point
Acha.
for eyesight,
Hmm.
right? So in general, our Indian tradition, when we pierce the ear, actually we are stimulating our eyesight point,
Okay.
and that's why it has been observed that many females, they don't have eyesight problem because they are breaking their ear.
Okay. Great. I didn't know that.
Correct. So we are following it like a tradition, like,
Carry
like
forward the
culture
tradition.
or religious belief. But actually, it is having some scientific
Scientific.
background behind it.
It's scientific because
Yeah.
the science basically, which is
It is very age-old science. In Mahabharata, we know that Bhishma Pita was lying on Ban Shayya.
yes.
It was nothing but acupuncture point.
Oh yes.
Right. But otherwise, in general, in India, particularly Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat, certain states, in case of epilepsy or in case of asthma, they are pricking the ear.
Okay.
They are doing it traditionally. If you ask them why you are pricking it, I don't know.
I don't know.
Because my father, my grandfather, or
That's a
aged
scientific.
ancient people, they were doing it. We are also doing it, and we are getting the result. But the science behind it, we don't know. But Chinese people, they studied it and they put up the science as per the name of acupuncture. But the origin of acupuncture is India,
Oh.
because in India we are having marma chikitsa. If you know, in Hindi we says marma sthan par ghav karna.
Oh, what does that mean?
Marma sthan means energy point.
Okay.
If that energy point is being heated or damaged, we get the disease. And if it is getting, if you massage it, if you palpate it, or if you treat it, the disease can be reversed.
Okay.
So if you have seen in martial arts or judo,
Yeah.
karate,
Mhm.
they are pricking, they are giving some punch or hit,
Yeah.
and person becomes either paralyzed or unconscious or sometimes dead also.
Yeah.
So these are nothing but the energy points. In Ayurveda, it is called marma chikitsa. In
Okay.
modern means Chinese people, they say it is acupuncture.
Okay.
So acupuncture is popular as Chinese science, but the origin is Indian.
That's good. Yeah. Thanks, Alpesh.
Yeah.
It sounds very simple but so effective.
Yeah, it is very much effective as well as it is very much scientific.
Yeah, scientific, of course. Yes. Okay, then. Thank you so much. Thanks for giving your time. Take
yeah,
care.
thank
God
you very
bless.
much. Thank you very much for it. Yeah. All good.
Please do like, subscribe, and watch.